If the residential battery cannot discharge, you can take these actions. Check the battery parameter settings. Check whether the backup power SOC is set to 100%. Check the end of discharge SOC set for the battery and the current SOC. If the end of discharge SOC is greater than or equal to the battery SOC, it is normal that the battery does not discharge. Forcibly charge the battery. If it cannot be charged, forcibly discharge the battery. Set forced charge and discharge for the battery respectively. If discharge is normal but charge is abnormal. Check whether the EN cables are properly connected. Export all logs and contact Huawei technical support. If both charge and discharge are abnormal, check the power cable connection on site. Take the following actions for troubleshooting. Power off the battery. Remove the power cables from the battery cascading terminals on the battery power control module, and the communications cable from the COM port. Use an insulation rod to poke the metal pins inside the power terminal of the power control module. If the metal pins are loose, replace the power control module. Use an insulation rod to poke the metal pins inside the power terminal of the battery expansion module. If the metal pins are loose, replace the battery expansion module. If the metal pins are not loose, replace the battery power cables.